Namaskar to all my brothers and sisters in India. Today I am here to tell you why Narendra Modi is the worst Prime Minister for India ever in Indian history. Narendra Modi has sworn as the Prime Minister of India in the year 2014 and till today, which is 6.5 years, Narendra Modi have destroyed our country very brutally with his rotten governance. From the day he took over his PMO office till today, which is 6.5 years, there were 100 plus performing companies are running into losses just because of this immature governance. I'm going to talk about major companies which are running into losses just because of this immature governance of Narendra Modi. India is in debt of $500 billion. Vodafone is in loss with 50,000 crores. Airtel is in loss with 23,000 crores. BSNL is in loss with 14,000 crores. MTNL is in loss with 755 crores. BPCL is in loss with 750 crores. SAIL is in loss with 286 crores. Air India is in loss with 4,600 crores. SpiceJet Airlines is in loss with 463 crores. Indigo Airlines is in loss with 1,062 crores. BHL is in loss with 219 crores. India Post is in loss with 15,000 crores. GMR Infra is in loss with 561 crores. S Bank is in loss with 600 crores. Union Bank is in loss with 1,190 crores. Punjab National Bank is in loss with 4,750 crores. Axis Bank is in loss with 112 crores. JP Group is totally finished. Videocon is bankrupt. Aircel and Docomo is a bankrupt. Jet Airways is totally closed. 5 airports have been sold out to the India's richest man, comes from Gujarat. His name is Adani. Indian railways are on sale today. Heritages, including Red Fort, are renting. Many banks are merged and the branches are closed. Huge number of ATM routes are shut down. All the banks incurring huge losses today. 36 largest debtors have crossed our country from the day Narendra Modi took over PMO office. Few corporates, 2.4 lakhs crores of loans have been waived off to the rich people, not to the poor people and not to the farmers, unfortunately. BSNL, 54,000 jobs have been laid off and they are planning to cut more jobs in BSNL. Auto industry, 1 million jobs will be laid off very soon. Maruti cuts production at all, which is India's production brand. 55,000 crores inventory cars lying at factories with no buyers at all. 12.76 lakhs houses unsold in 30 major cities. Builders committing suicide. No buyers. Construction stopped due to the mad cost raised of GST at 18% to 28%. CCD founder, you all know, Coffee Day founder VG Siddhartha committed suicide just because of this brutal governance. Hall has no money to pay employee salaries. Biscuit companies are terminating their employees. ONGC, most profitable company in India, is now making into losses. Millions are unemployed due to the demonetization. Highest unemployment rate ever recorded in the last 45 years of Indian history. And nothing is shown in Indian media. Indian media is brutally sold out to Modi and Shah. And today we talk about India, Make in India and all that. And I'm going to tell you who is doing Make in India. Today, Prime Minister comes from Gujarat. Home Minister comes from Gujarat. BJP Chief comes from Gujarat. CBI Chief comes from Gujarat. RBI Chief comes from Gujarat. Anil Ambani is a Gujarati. Mukesh Ambani is a Gujarati. Nirav Modi is a Gujarati. Mehul Choksey is a Gujarati. Lalit Modi is a Gujarati. Majority of the bank robbers comes from Gujarati and majority of the contractors comes from Gujarat. And this is the history of our India. And today, Modi followers still talk about Hindutva, Ram Mandir, Article 370, bombing Pakistan, bombing China. We Indians need employment. We Indians need to reduce poverty. We Indians need to raise our GDP. We Indians need to make sure our India is topping the chart and competing with all other countries. Let's educate ourselves and make sure we don't vote for Modi and save our India from Modi and BJP Shah. Jai Hind.